We're now down with our last topic for this quarter, which is all about the equation of a circle. Let's begin with the standard form of the equation of a circle. The standard form of the equation of a circle has two forms. The first one is when the center of the circle is located at the coordinates h and k. Okay? So here's the standard form when the center is located at the point h and k. We have x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square is equal to r square, where h and k is the center of the circle, means this h here is located, h here is located along the x-axis. So yung h natin yung tinatawag nating x-coordinate. And then yung k natin dito is located along the y-axis, in which it indicates our y-coordinate. So, anong ibig sabihin ng point h and k na yan? So, that means that the values of h and k indicate that the circle is translated h units horizontally and y units, or should I say k units, vertically. So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng point h and k. Either nasa first quadrant yung circle, yung center natin, nasa second quadrant, nasa third, o nasa fourth man. Okay? Next, r here is our radius. So, let's have an example. So, this is the graph showing that the center of the circle is located at the coordinates h and k. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. Again, our standard form when the center of the circle is located at h and k, we have x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square is equal to r squared. Let's have an example. Say, find the equation of a circle with center located at 2 and 7 and radius 6 units. So, given, we know that the center is located at 2 and 7, in which 2 is our h value and 7 is our k value. So, h is 2, k is 7, and r, or the radius, is 6. So, ito yung ating standard form. Substitute mo lang. Substitute all the given values that we have inside the given standard form. Okay? So, h here will be 2. Yung k dito will be 7. And then r is 6. So, it will now become x minus 2 quantity square plus y minus 7 quantity square is equal to 6 squared. Ito, okay na to. Pero sometimes, we tend to evaluate it. Yung ibang natin evaluate. So, evaluate din natin ito. So, 6 squared means 6 times 6. Correct? So, 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So, the equation of the circle with center located at 2 and 7 and radius 6 units is x minus 2 quantity square plus y minus 7 quantity square is equal to 36. Tapos, yun na yun. Okay? Ito na yung standard form natin kapag ang center niya is located at 2 and 7. Next, say, find the equation of a circle with center located at negative 5 and 7 and radius 12 units. So, ang center daw niya located sa negative 5 and 3. Ang h natin is negative 5. Ang k value naman natin ay positive 3. Okay? Ang radius naman natin ay 12. So, gamit yung ating standard form kapag ang center mo ay nasa h and k, papalitan mo yung h ng negative 5, tapos ang k ng positive 3. Okay, so magiging ganito siya. X minus quantity negative 5 quantity square plus y minus 3 quantity square is equal to 12 square. Now, ito magkatabi, so that means negative times negative, positive. Tapos ito, 12 square means 12 times 12. And 12 times 12 is 144. So, magiging x plus 5 quantity square plus y minus 3 quantity square is equal to 144. So, yun na yun. Yun na ating standard form when the center is located at negative 5 and 3 and radius 12 units. So, yun yung standard form natin. Next example, say find the equation of a circle with center located at -4 and -9 and radius 8 units. So, again, same process tayo. Ang center mo located siya sa -4 and -9. Ang h mo -4, ang k mo -9. Ang radius natin ay 8 units. Okay? Ito yung standard form natin. Substitute lang. Yung h natin magiging -4, yung k magiging -9, at ang r, papalitan mo ng 8. Okay? So, you will have x minus quantity -4 quantity square plus y minus quantity -9 quantity square is equal to 8 square. Tapos, negative and negative, positive, negative and negative, positive. So, 8 square is 8 times 8, which is equivalent to 64. So, x plus 4, quantity square, plus y plus 9, quantity square, is equal to 64. That is now the standard form of the given equation of a circle with center located at -4 and -9 and radius 8 units. Paano pag mabilisan? So, ganito siya pag mabilisan, no? Kung negative itong value ng h mo, pagdating mo dun sa form, magiging plus siya. Okay? Kasi negative yon. Okay? Copy 4, quantity, and then y, should I say plus pa dito sa gitna? Plus y, tapos ito negative ulit, magiging positive. Quantity square is equal to, and then 8 ito, gawin mo lang 8 square, 8 times 8, 64. So, yun na yon. Kung mabilisan ang gusto mo. Okay? Next, paano yung example number 2? Umabilisan siya. So, ang h value mo ay -5. So, pagdating niya dun sa standard form natin, magiging plus na siya. 5 quantity square plus, ang y natin ay positive. Ang k, should I say, ang k natin ay positive. So, magiging minus pa rin siya. Is equal to, and then 12, square mo lang siya. 12 times 12, 144. So, yun na yon. Pag gusto mong mabilisan. Okay? Next. How about when the center of the circle is located at the origin? So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Kung number line niya, kung should I say, kung Cartesian plane yan, yung circle mo nasa mismong center. Or should I say, nasa mismong origin. Yung center niya nasa mismong origin. Anong points ito? 0 and 0. So, anong form yon? Ang standard form natin kapag nasa origin siya will be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, wherein the center is located at 0 and 0 and the radius is r. Okay? Let's look at the graph of a given circle na kung saan ang kanyang center ay nasa origin. Nandito siya. So, that what a circle looks like when the center is at the origin. Again, ang ating equation for the standard form, kapag ang origin niya nasa 0 and 0, will be x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Let's have an example. Say, find the equation of a circle with center at the origin. Yun ang clue nyo. Nasa origin daw siya. And radius 4 units. So, our center is located at 0 and 0 while the radius is 4. So, kung ito ang ating standard form na kung saan yung kanyang center ay nasa origin, substitute lang. Simply substitute the value of the radius. So, value of the radius is 4. So, magiging x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 squared. And 4 squared means 4 times 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So, yun na yun. That is now the standard form of the equation of the circle with center at the origin and the radius, and with the radius of 4 units. So, yun na yun. Next, find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and radius 15 units. So, nasa origin ulit siya. Ang radius naman natin ay 15 units. So, ang center natin nasa 0 and 0. Tapos, ang radius natin ay 15 units. So, gamit ang ating formula, substitute lang yung r, magiging 15. So, x squared plus y squared is equal to 15 squared. And 15 times 15 is equal to 225. So, that is now the standard form of the given equation of a circle with center at the origin and radius 15 units. That is x squared plus y squared is equal to 225. So, yun na yun. Mas madali kapag ang hinahanap mong standard form ay nasa origin. So, mag-review lang tayo ng mabilisan. Kapag ang center mo ay located siya sa h and k, ang standard form mo ay x minus h quantity square plus y minus k quantity square is equal to r squared. So, yun ang gagamitin mong standard form. Ngayon, kapag ang center mo naman nasa 0 and 0 siya, ang standard form na gagamitin mo ay x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. So, tatandaan mo lang yan. Okay? So, pakisagutan na yung activity 5. This is 1 to 5. Hindi ko lang siya na-edit. Okay? So, items 1 to 5. Activity 5, what defines me? Items 1 to 5, LM page 265, and you have to show your complete solutions. So, anong gagawin? Sabi niya, activity 5, write the equation of each of the following circles given the center and the radius and answer the questions that follow. So, dalawang gagawin. Write the equation of the given circle and then answer the questions that follow. Okay? So number 1, ang center daw niya nasa origin. Ang radius niya 12 units. So, anong standard form ang gagamitin mo? Okay? Pakita mo yung equation tapos sagutan mo yung mga tanong sa baba. Next, number 2. Ang center niya nasa 2 and 6. And ang radius niya 9 units. So, dun sa dalawang standard form, anong gagamitin mo? Number 3, ang center niya negative 7 and 2, tapos ang radius niya 15 units. Number 4, negative 4 and negative 5, dun located ang kanyang center, tapos ang radius niya 5 square root of 2 units. Okay? Ang number 5 naman, located yung center niya at 10 and negative 8. Tapos ang kaniyang radius ay 3 square root of 3 units. Now, tatanungin nyo, ma'am, paano evaluate ito? Okay, magbigay lang ako ng example, tas kayo nang bahala. Ano? Say, 2 square root of 3. Kunwari, ito yung radius mo. Okay? Kaso, i-evaluate mo siya, or i-rewrite mo siya into its standard form. So, magiging r square dapat siya. Okay? R square is equal to 2 square root of 3 quantity square. Power of a power rule, ibig sabihin yung exponent mo sa labas, i-distribute mo sa bawat expression na nasa loob. So, yung exponent natin ng 2, ibibigay mo din siya kay 2. So, that is 2 square times, ibigay mo din siya kay square root of 3. So, square root of 3 quantity square. Okay? And then, evaluate. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, cancel mo lang yon, matitira 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So, 2 square root of 3 is also equal to 12. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So, yung r square mo na hinahanap ay 12. Okay? Ganun siya evaluate. O, isa pang example. Say, 5 square root of 5 square root of 6 kunwari. So, ang radius mo, 5 square root of 6. So, ito gagawin mo siyang r square. So, magiging 5 square root of 6 quantity square. Tapos, ito evaluate mo. Yung exponent mo, ibigay mo kay 5. So, magiging 5 square times, ibigay mo din siya kay square root of 6. So, square root of 6. Quantity square. 5 times 5 is 25. Tapos, cancel, matitira si 6. Okay? And 25 times 6, ilan yun? That is equal to 150. So, that means 5 square root of 6 is also equal to 150. So, ang r square mo ay 150. Okay na? So, ganun atakihin talaga. Ganun i-process yung 5 square root of 2 at saka 3 square root of 3. So, that's it. Pakisagutan yung items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Katulad siya nung na-discuss natin kung paano siya sasagutan. Write the equation tapos answer the questions that follow.